My name is Scott Harms. I'm the president of MetalQuest Unlimited in Heber, Nebraska. First thing when you say you're in Heber, Nebraska that people say is, where is Heber, Nebraska? We are almost in the middle of America. MetalQuest is a custom manufacturing facility. We specialize in CNC-based machining of highly complex parts. We do a lot of work for the oil field sector. We also do work for the hydraulics industry, both ag and commercial hydraulics. What we did in 1996 was a little bit different than most. We brought multitasking to machining.
MetalQuest's on the leading edge of automation, and one of the things I think that we're able to do is show other companies that it's not difficult to automate.
We try and figure out what it's going to take to make these parts as efficient as we possibly can, and we execute on that.
When we get a new part in the door, a group of us will get together and figure out how MetalQuest as a whole is going to tackle that project.
The designer's got the first idea, somebody else comes up and knows something that the designer doesn't know. Now I've got the second idea. Here's a problem with it. Did you think of this? Now together we can come up with a third idea. SOLIDWORKS gives us the ability to get all that done much more quickly without ever making a part.
Everything that we have going on here that is like a mechanical automation device has been designed in SOLIDWORKS.
You truly are imagining greatness with this software because some of the things that you can bring to life really do surprise you in the end.
What I like most about SOLIDWORKS is the fact it's an extension of your mind. One of the biggest misconceptions in manufacturing and pretty much anything having to do with robotics is that robots are taking people's jobs. They're not. The robots are here to make sure that people can use their minds.
What we're trying to do is bring students and parents and the public into our facility and show them what we're actually doing, make them realize that manufacturing is a very challenging, interesting career, very high tech. We're doing things that a lot of other industries couldn't even dream of.
On the farm where I grew up, we did a lot of our own repair work. We also made a lot of custom things and stuff for the farm. It was something that I enjoyed and something I felt that I could make a difference in. When we bring people in from this environment and this culture, they're people that usually have got pretty good common sense. I mean, they're able to figure stuff out pretty quickly and pretty easily.
I love designing in SOLIDWORKS because it kind of takes my skills that I've kind of learned over the years in manufacturing and brought them to life.
I see manufacturing evolving to a lot more 3D and automation. I think the more companies in the United States that adopt automation, the more manufacturing is going to come back to the United States and stay in the United States, because really the biggest component, the biggest cost component for manufacturing is labor. I think letting automation take care of the actual manufacturing and let people use their brains and do the more challenging, interesting part of that job, that's going to allow everyone in the United States to be more successful.
We want them to excel. We want them to be the best they can be. We want them to be pushing themselves mentally. SOLIDWORKS allows you to do that.